Good morning! How are you today? I hope all of you are fine as usual. But always remember, you have to stay safe and stay healthy. Remember to eat healthy food, always wash your hands. Alright children, so are you ready for our lesson this morning? That's great! Today we will have Montessori activity. And for our Montessori activity today, we will do practical life folding clothes. That's right. This activity will help you to do some chores at home and make you independent to do for your chores at home. So now, Miss Yuni will teach you how to fold your clothes. Are you ready for that? That's great. So children, in front of you, I have so many clothes. So now Miss Yuni will teach you how to folding clothes one by one. Okay. First, I have this shirt. Okay. So first, what we have to do is you have to put it on the table or on the floor. So make it flat and then fold the clothes right into the middle and another side. And then next you have to fold from bottom to the top. See? Like this. Okay, now we will try for t-shirt. So here I have one small t-shirt. So first, you have to put on the table or floor and make it flat. Fold the side into the middle like this and then make it flat. And do the same with the other side and make it flat. And then right in the middle you fold from the bottom. Okay. And like this. Good. Next, I will try with short or pants. I have this short. Okay. First, what you have to do here, you have to put it on the floor or on the table. Then make it flat. And you have to fold right in the middle. Like this. And then fold it from the bottom to the top. In the middle. Make it flat. Good. Next, I have a dress. Look at, this is very cute, right? So do the same thing. Make it flat, put on the table or on the floor, and then fold to the middle, and the other side, half side to the middle, and then you have to fold from the bottom to the top, right in the middle. See? It's easy, right? Okay, now I have a big t-shirt. This is quite big, so for you. So what you have to do is you have to put it on the table and make it flat. Your hands and then fold the side into the middle. Okay, and make it flat. Do the same thing with the other side. Good. And then find the in the middle of your clothes and then you have to fold from the bottom to the top. And make it flat. Good. Ta-da! Now it's done. Now it's time for you to practice how to fold your clothes. I I know you can do it because you are such a clever children. Okay children, now happy folding clothes. Bye!